Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Microsoft 365 Personal and also like the OneNote, if it's actually like worth upgrading, as you can see right here. So OneNote is generally free and you can have like a lot of actual like stuff there for free that you can actually like use. And how it actually works is that you can then upgrade on monthly basis, where you're gonna have for like 365 Personal, where you're gonna have most of the, like if not all, the Microsoft products, and where you're gonna have like cloud storage, where you can have like cross use use up to like 5 devices simultaneously. Also clipchamp video editor with 4K exports, so that's very good. Microsoft Defender and OneDrive, so that's something that is good. And yeah, so that's something that you can actually like expect if you can want to use OneNote. Now for me, what I really like is that OneNote is a great tool for you to use if you want to use it, of course, and that's something that you can actually like expect. So if you need it and if you need like other things, then I completely like understand, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. Otherwise, it's like OneNote is like free that you can like use. Have a great day and goodbye.